Now I'd like to request Muhammad Rifat, please come on the stage and deliver your speech. I praise Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, honorable chairman, respected teachers and guardians, my dear brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'd like to introduce myself before you. My name is Muhammad Rifat Islam. I am 11 years old. I'm a student. I'm studying in class 5 in a Rayhan International Madrasa. I want to be a Da'i of Islam. I'm from Shanghai, but I live in Dhaka. My father's name is Shahidul Islam. He's a businessman. My mother's name is Aisha Begum. She's a housewife. I have one brother and no sister. Well, that's all about me, in brief. Now, I'd like to recite a hadith in Arabic, Bengali, and English. قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم الطهور شطر الإيمان নবী করিম সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম বলেছেন যে পবিত্রতা ঈমানের অঙ্গ। Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, purity is half of iman. Thank you so much. Jazakumullah.
MashaAllah, Jazakumullah. We are really motivated by your beautiful lecture.